Good morning and welcome to Resilience Ridge, where we're having the sunrise, storm clouds, birds singing, dogs barking, country style living. Might see some birds swooping through. You hear their wings flapping. What I love about this early morning time is, the birds, they just get up and sing. Sing and sing and sing. So through our day, instead of looking at those storm clouds and thinking, stormy thoughts, we can look to where the light's coming from. Oh, look, it's rising up over the ridge. Where once there were storms, rain clouds. Perhaps you're somewhere where you're socked in with snow right now. I hope everybody's okay, staying warm. Ask for help if you need it. May everybody be blessed today. And know that through the storms, we take time to hunker down. The Raptors are waking up. Take time to hunker down and appreciate our lives. Appreciate everything that we have. Enjoy your day, even in the smallest ways. Build your resistance one moment at a time. Appreciate the beauty. Appreciate the booty. What? The brute. Tappity.